Understanding irreverent behavior in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English language topic, irreverent behavior. Understanding this phrase is key to grasping nuances in English communication, especially in social and cultural contexts. Let's explore what it means, see examples, and learn how to use it appropriately in conversations. Irreverent behavior refers to actions or words that show a lack of respect for people or things that are generally taken seriously or held in high regard. This doesn't necessarily mean being outright rude or offensive. Rather, it's about displaying an attitude that doesn't conform to the expected reverence or respect. To better understand irreverent behavior, let's look at some examples. Making jokes during a solemn ceremony, using casual language in a formal setting, not following traditional etiquette at serious events. These examples show how irreverent behavior can manifest in various contexts, highlighting the importance of understanding cultural and situational expectations. Understanding irreverent behavior is crucial for several reasons. It helps non-native speakers navigate English-speaking social environments more effectively. It provides insight into the cultural values and norms that influence behavior in different settings. It aids in avoiding misunderstandings or unintentional offense in communication. Knowing about irreverent behavior can help you in many ways. Improve your communication skills by understanding the appropriate tone and formality for different situations. Enhance your cultural competence by recognizing what behaviors may be considered disrespectful in certain contexts. Adjust your behavior to be more respectful and considerate in diverse settings. We hope this exploration of irreverent behavior has been enlightening and will assist you in your journey to mastering English communication. Remember, language is not just about vocabulary and grammar. It's also deeply intertwined with culture and context. Stay curious and keep learning. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.